What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Reek, man, and I'm back with another video. I had somebody in the comments ask me about my front hood, talking about, how leakage and all that, as far as water getting under the hood. So I'm gonna show y'all everything under the hood, whatnot, and I'm gonna explain to y'all how impossible it is to keep water out. Open this bad boy up. Okay, so for y'all that don't know, these are the Veers Engineering hood vents. I believe they originally go on a GT500. This is what it looks like underneath. Now, to keep water out of my intakes, I do have these heat shields along with the, I call them socks over the intakes. They're waterproof. So that's to mitigate water from that. As far as water getting anywhere else in the engine bay, I don't really dry the car in the rain. The only time I'll dry the car in the rain is if it starts raining while I'm out. You know what I'm saying? But I check the forecast, try to mitigate that. The second way I do that is I took the heat shield that originally goes under the hood. I cut it in half. And I usually ride with this in my trunk. What I'll do is, let's say it starts raining, I'll put that right there, and I'll put that right there, and then I'll just close it. And that keeps water completely out. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to hear nothing in the comments, oh, blah, blah. You keeping heat in, blah, blah, that's gonna mess something up. How it's gonna mess something up? You know what I'm saying? You always got the ones in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Still trying to come up with a system on how to drain the water out completely, but as of right now, this is what I've come up with. The car runs amazing. No water has gotten into the engine. That was my main concern, keeping water out the intakes. Y'all don't see no rust or nothing. I've been like this for a while. I forgot when I put these vents in, but it's been a while. This is my daily, kinda. I still don't drive it in the rain. You know what I'm saying? I'll drive my wife's car, or Hondeezy, but, well, if I have a Hondeezy, get back on the road. And these are the stock air boxes. You feel me? Like I said on this channel, man, I do things for the people, you know what I'm saying? And also I do stuff just because I like to do stuff with my hands, you know what I'm saying? So what I did was I took the stock air box, cut the top open, and then I had to cut a little bit of the bottom too to let the air filter sit off in there. And then I just put the heat shields on it. And man, when I tell you, for y'all who say, oh, it don't work, blah, blah, my IATs dropped 15 degrees. So now what? Wait till I put some snorkels up front. And I took the factory, I guess you would call it induction, air duct, whatever it's called. I took the front piece off because it really sucks in air from up here. So I just took it off completely. And then I cut a little piece of the shroud off. Like if you had to put the snorkels in anyway, you would have to cut it or remove it completely. So I cut the part that's in front of the air induction pathway. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hey man, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, give it a like. You know what I'm saying? Comment, subscribe what y'all think of the build. And she be beating them scat packs and SS's. And them 5.0s. No cap. Man, we need to go get some E30 though, no cap. But shoot, man, I'm out. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the fam, man. If y'all want to see more Stinger content, let me know what kind of content y'all want to see. You feel me? And I'm gone.